So I started kind of here-ish and decided to kind of revamp a little bit. It was pretty rough. Got some flaky circuits, got some different things going on. And I wanted to add some more touch points with kind of a little bit more finished looking product. And the lights that are currently on there they're purely out of random placement. So I wanted to put them in a specific spot on purpose. All right, so looking at Puerto Rico, we've got our map. If you're looking at Fact 2 says it's the southern region that has the hot springs. Well, southern region I think is probably in the south. So if I light it up, sure is, that's where the southern region is. And if I touch the point next to it with my ground.
Located in the northern region, you'll find Dorado, with a name that literally means golden. It's easy to see why Dorado is such a golden sought-after destination.
So you'll see not only a picture of a place in the southern region, but also more facts about it. So same thing with other regions like the West.
In the West region.
And the Metro.
In June of 2022.
Coming down to the East.
Located 20 miles.
And similarly, you can press and see the different points around the map as well. That way, to be able to match the facts. So match the facts, match the lights, find more information.